We are Pakistan, Part 21. Temperature is a climatic element. Diversity of temperature in various regions is due to following factors. Large spread of latitude from 24° north to 37° north. Diversity of relief from mountains up to 8,610 meters in the north to low-lying coastal areas in the south. The upper and lower Indus plains heat up in summer, taking the daily maximum temperature to 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, which is very hot. Jacobabad in the lower Indus plain is known as the thermal pole of the subcontinent, where the maximum temperature reaches 53 degrees Celsius in June and the mean monthly maximum temperature reaches 43 degrees Celsius in May and June. Well, that shows the ferocity of the temperature, in fact. And as we move ahead, coastal areas have moderate temperatures in summer and winter. Sea breezes dominate the climate, lowering the daily temperature range. Factors affecting temperature of Pakistan. Latitudinal effect. The areas closer to the equator receive relatively direct rays of the sun, resulting in high temperature. Southern Pakistan is closer to the equator than northern Pakistan. Continental effect, a general term covering the climate of areas protected from unaffected by maritime influence, the influence of the sea on temperature. Along coast, ocean currents and prevailing winds usually have a moderating effect on temperature. This is why extreme winter and summer temperatures are recorded in the interior of large land masses away from the moderating influence of the sea. Altitude and temperature. There is a relationship between the altitude, air density, and temperature. The air is densest at sea level because that is where it absorbs most water vapor, dust particles, and solar radiation. Air is least dense at high altitude because less solar radiation is absorbed at that level. With less air to absorb heat at higher altitude, there is an average drop of 6.5 degrees Celsius in temperature for each 1000 meter increase in altitude. Cloud cover and temperature. Cloud cover affects temperature to some extent. In the daytime, it reduces the amount of incoming solar radiation by reflecting it back into space, resulting in a drop in day temperature. At night, the cloud cover traps in the outgoing heat. As a result, temperature on a cloudy night does not drop as low as temperature on a clear night. Latitude and the angle of the sun. Angle of the sun refers to Earth's position in relation to the sun. The diagram shows that the sun's rays do not fall at the same angle everywhere on the Earth's surface. Latitudinal position determines the amount of heat received by Earth. For example, compared with the sun's rays that fall nearer or falling near the north and south poles have to heat a large surface area and travel further enough, and they travel further through the atmosphere and will have less heating effect. Similarly, the difference in the heat received in summer and winter is due to the difference in the angle of the sun.